Dude. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is another extremely big day. I'm sure you guys already know from the title and thumbnail what we are up to, but we got a brand new build, a 2017 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT. And this truck is a super beast of a truck. This truck has a lift kit, a cold air intake, it might have a tune on it, I'm not sure. So engine modifications, lift kit, exhaust, and then there's some carbon fiber and like bronze trim on the inside. Super sick truck. I can't wait to see it, and I can't wait for you guys to see it too. But don't worry guys, we still have all the other builds. We didn't sell anything. This is just another car we are adding to the collection. But guys, we got a long 6-7 hour drive to Denver, so let's get to Denver. Alright guys, so we stopped for some gas. We're right around Colorado, about 40 miles to the border. But yeah, we just took a little pit stop. We're almost there. A little cold here. It was raining too along the way. You always see a lot of interesting things over here when you're taking these road trips. You experience a lot of different weathers. Last time it was snow, rain, wind, a lot of stuff. But yeah, we just stopped for some gas, so let's hit the road. Alright guys, so it's pit stop number 2 now. We are in Colorado Springs. Only 50 more minutes until we make it to the Denver Copart. So let's go. Alright guys, we made it to the Copart. Let's go inside, pay the people, and get the truck.
That brand new car. Let me see.
Dude, this thing's sick. Dude.
Oh, dude, this 6.2 grand. Get in here.
Okay. Guys, this truck is absolutely sick. I'm gonna show you more of it when we get back to the shop, but we're gonna go over a few things here.
Look at the 6.2L.
Dude. Alright guys, so the insurance, I'm assuming, is the one that took this car apart. We're hoping that they threw all the other parts in the bed of the truck, so let's go ahead and check that. Guys, no way! Dude! Oh yeah, my gosh!
Big time jackpot, guys. Oh, the front grille should be.
Dude, it has all the pieces on the bumper, the fog light and everything. Bose sound system. Ooh, that's nice. Dude, check these out. There's plenty of meat on these. Dude, guys, alright, so that's the upgrade exhaust I was talking about earlier. It is straight piped. You can see the welds. Straight pipe all the way throughout. Let's put a jump box on this and get it on the trailer. But you guys are about to hear a sick start. I actually brought brake fluid and coolant. I'm gonna top these off before I start the truck. As I topped off the brake fluid, I topped off the coolant. Not sure why both of those were empty. The insurance might have taken them out or something, but there's no leaks anywhere. So let's go ahead and start this truck and get it loaded up. All right, guys, get ready for this.
It's nice and throaty.
Alright guys, so we got the truck all strapped up. Let me show you how I strapped it up. The trailer was a little bit too small, so we came up with a really creative way to do it. So on the front, we have it strapped up from this point through the wheel, through there, and then the excess is taken through the tow hooks. And then same on that side, except from it goes up that tow hook and comes through this one multiple times for like as a security strap. That thing is really smashed up. Then I took another strap. This one's pretty weak, but it's just for safety measures. I put it there, and that side didn't have a hook, so I just tied it. There's the other security strap made of chains. Then on this side, so what we had to do is the truck was actually too big for the trailer, so we actually had to take out the ramps. But I made the ramps really strong by doing this. So these, extremely tight. So I put it onto the ramp, through the wheel, then under the ramp onto the actual frame of the trailer. So it's holding the truck's wheel and the ramp at the same time. It's holding the ramp from sliding out. Then to prevent the ramp from sliding in and loosening all this, I took the strap, another one, I put it on there and pulled it out, and I strapped it right here to the car's actual hitch where the chains go to for the trailers. So there's that. Same thing on this side. Then on this side, I just have a hook strap right here and a hook strap right there and ratchet it down. This thing is not going anywhere. It's safe and sound. So without any further ado, I'm exhausted. So let's go to the hotel. All right, guys, so we got the whole truck strapped up. We're just gonna do a quick test pull, see how it shakes around. Hopefully it doesn't shake at all. And then we're gonna hit the road. Guys, we're good to go. Let's get out of here because I'm exhausted. This was a super fun trip, and guys, I cannot wait to start making content with this truck. You guys are gonna love it. I already love this truck. This is gonna be some amazing content. I already measured with the tape measure. It has like a 6-7 inch lift on. It's crazy, but let's get to the hotel. Alright guys, so we just went to the hot tub in the Four Seasons and took a shower and went in the sauna. We're actually in downtown Denver, Central or whatever it is. A lot of buildings everywhere. I love buildings. I like buildings a lot. We're heading to the truck, both trucks right now, and we're probably gonna get a bite to eat and go to the hotel. Alright guys, we made it to the hotel. My phone died at the restaurant, so I didn't get to record anything. But anyways, we have a perfect view of the trucks, and so we can check up on them from the hotel room. We asked especially for this view, and they let us park there. Super nice people. But anyways guys, it's super late right now, and I'm tired, so I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning. Guys, so it is the next day now, but as you guys know, on these trips we don't just pick up the car and go home. I like to show you guys some special things along the way. So we are at the Ferrari dealership. It smells really nice in here.
Oh wow.
Yeah, this car has, I mean, I'd have to add it up if I had to guess, like 120. A little more light on the dirt floor too.
It's like I'm walking.
Alright guys, we were about to get a cold start of this 812. Super sick car. Guys, check out these carbon ceramic rotors. You can actually see the carbon weave towards the bottom of them. That's so sick. That's fast.
Super fast.
Alright guys, so we're eating Raising Cane's right now. And then after this we're gonna go karting. So I kinda wish I brought the GoPro.
Hi, thank you for calling Queen's Karting. This is Roberta. How may I help you?
Hi, I want to go go-karting today, and I was wondering if I should go to you guys at the Podium Karting and Events or K1.
Either is good. I can't say anything about K1 Speed.
Alright guys, we made it to the go-kart spot. Let's go ride some karts. Alright guys, we are done with go-karting. That was fun, and I won once. I won one of my runs. Alright guys, so we have stopped at the gas station with the truck, and we're just getting some gas, then we're gonna head back home. Alright guys, we're at a gas station making a little pit stop and we're gonna grab some snacks. Alright guys, so I'm wrapping up editing the video right now, and I realized I forgot to film an outro, probably because we got back at like 3:30 a.m. that night, but here's the outro now. So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. You're gonna see a lot of epic content on that truck coming up soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.